pen. Where did you put it?
Finger.
I got it. Here it is.
Panda. Different. How working?
Yeah, you got it. That's how it works.
I did it.
You did.
Tell me.
Yeah, she has a nice tummy.
Flower.
A flower, yep.
Tell me.
On her tummy, yep. Okay, we're not going to take the pen near her. Put the pen over here. Good. Now you can say hi to her. Say hi, Nora. Nice.
A kiss.
A kiss.
I did it.
You did. What's the matter, baby? Can you say that? What's the matter, baby?
Flower. A flower. A flower. Flower. A flower.
Her chin, yeah, but we won't put the pen near her face.
You.
No.
Mommy.
Hi.
Cheese.
Cheese.
More cheese.
More cheese.
Yeah.
Oh.